picked up several things at Dollar Tree, most of which you'll be seeing in future videos. I grabbed one of the fluted tall glass vases. I picked up several tubes of the medium-sized ornaments in various colors. I also purchased several of the packages of the small ornaments in glitter gold, red, and silver. Aren't these the cutest mini little disco ball ornaments? I picked up one package of 6. These came in gold, silver, and red. My store was just putting out the miniatures. I picked up one set of trees and one seating set. I love these little miniature Christmas trees. They make simple decor very easy. I did purchase one of them in white, and I also purchased 3 of them in green that I used in a previous video, and I'll link that video above and down below in the description box. I'm always finding uses for these glass candle holders. I purchased one of them. I found this adorable mercury glass style bottle, and I plan to use it on my dressing table. Hey, let me know down below in the comments if you'd be interested in seeing that space in a future video. Speaking of my dressing table, I picked up a couple of packages of these cleansing facial wipes by Bolero. These are in the cranberry and sweet orange scent. I have used a coconut scent in the past and I really did like it, but I wasn't able to find it again. But luckily they have this scent for the Christmas season and I think it's going to be wonderful. And again, I did just get 2 packages. I also grabbed some cosmetic wedges. You get 28 pieces for $1. I think that's a great deal, and I've used these in the past along with the other types of little sponges. These work great and they're so cheap, it's easy to use them and just throw them away. Also in the Bolero line, I found some body oil in honeysuckle and green tea, and also in coconut oil and sea salt. I picked up one more item in the Bolero line. This is a purifying coconut cream and vanilla foot scrub. This is a moisturizer and exfoliator, and it's 6.7 ounces. I thought for $1 I'd give it a try. I have just a couple more of the cosmetic line type things. I grabbed 2 of the Yes to You facial mask. I got the Soothing Cucumber mask and also the Comforting Mud mask. They also sell these at Target and they're $3. So I thought this was a great buy, and these are single-use masks. If you're into having your nails done professionally or doing them yourself, they have some wonderful Kiss Gel nail polish. It's a really nice product. I have several different colors and I really like it. This one is a newer color for my store and it's called This Romance. I found one more Bolero item that I had not tried. This is a cranberry and sweet orange hand wash. I do typically use the same type of hand wash in my bathroom throughout the year, but I love the label on this one. It's kind of an old world style label, and I will be putting this in my guest bathroom right after the Thanksgiving holiday. I found this adorable mug sleeve. It's blush pink and it's sequins. How adorable is that? My store had these in gold and also in the blush pink. I got several of these black and pink pom-poms. These were actually for breast cancer awareness, but I have another use for them and I'll share that with you. If not on my channel, it'll be on my Instagram page coming up soon. I got a 2-pack of fragrance sachets. I'll be putting these in my guest room closet just to keep the room smelling fresh. I also picked up another black candle snuffer. They have these in gold, copper, and black. I'm sure you've seen this on other channels. I love this photo frame. I love the clip on it. And I will probably be using this, if not on a tablescape or my coffee bar, it may go in my guest room for another purpose. My husband takes his lunch to work on a regular basis. I like to use the little cups when I'm painting, doing DIYs, but my husband likes to use them for his lunches. So I do buy separate ones for painting to keep in my workspace, but I do like to keep these on hand because if he takes salads or needs a container for a dip that he can easily dispose of after 1 or 2 uses, these are a really inexpensive way to do that. I have a package of craft sticks. You get 100 pieces in here for $1. In the craft area, I also picked up a 2-pack of these miniature wreath forms. I didn't know that Dollar Tree sold floating candles, and I really wanted some. I was going to try to kind of DIY some for a project that I'm doing, but I was able to get a 3-pack of unscented floating candles. Also in that same aisle, I picked up 3 packages of 2 each taper candles. I have white, red, and they have a new copper color that I had not seen in the past. When I saw this little plywood sign, I knew it would be perfect for my coffee bar for the winter season. It says, "Let it snow," and it kind of looks like little planks of wood. It's so adorable. And the lettering is a really thin metal, probably tin. And I just thought it was adorable. It seems like I find something like this at Dollar Tree every season. Right now, this is my favorite. I picked up 1 pair of these super soft snuggly socks. My store only had 1 pair in gray, but they did have various other colors. If you'd like to give something like this as a gift or a stocking stuffer, I think it would be a great idea. They're so soft and cozy. I plan to use this pair for a DIY, believe it or not. So stay tuned for that. That'll be coming up on my channel on the 14th this week. I promised myself this year that I was not going to buy any dishes for Christmas. I could not pass up these holly berry plates at my local Dollar Tree. I did have to kind of go through the ones that they had on the shelf to make sure that the patterns were consistent and that the plates themselves were not marred up in any way. I did decide to only get 6 of the plates. They had salad plates, coffee mugs, bowls, and also clear drinking glasses with the holly berries printed on them. They kind of remind me of the Spode dishes. I'm not sure if you're familiar with that line. It's quite expensive, and they do sell those at Macy's, but I do really think these remind me of that type of pattern. And last but not least, I found 1 roll of white gift wrap. It's not foil, it's just a plain white gift wrap. And you'll be seeing my purpose for getting this up on my channel real soon. I also picked up a 2-pack of black tube socks. I love to wear these around the house, and I also like to wear them in my boots in the winter. We're already getting snow here, which I'm not happy about, but you know, you have to be prepared for it. I don't wear long socks on a regular basis, but I do like to wear the black tube socks in my boots. And it comes in multiple colors. I just decided to pick up 1 in silver. I really don't need any more coffee mugs, but this was so cute to me. It says, "'Tis the season to be jolly." They had different sayings. There were gold and white ones and red and white ones. This was my favorite. During a really quick stop at my local Family Dollar store, I found this really cute candle holder. It says, "Let it snow," and it's all kind of cut out, and it was $5. I think it's adorable, and it'll go with any Christmas decor. I also found this really cute felt star. I was going to make one, but when I saw this for $1, I thought, well, what's the point in making it when I can just buy one for $1?